Today we'll do the next one, that is we have done matrix multiplication. Okay, matrix multiplication and properties of matrix multiplication we have done. So today we'll I hope you understood everything, and today we'll do the solved example. AB is non-singular, ठीक है, we have to show this one. So as we know that non-singular, singular मतलब क्या होता है, what is singular? It means first of all what you have to do, we have to find out AB, मतलब we have to multiply these matrices and the result, वो जो भी resultant AB matrices will get, AB matrix will get ना, that matrix का we have to find out the determinant. If the value of determinant is equal to 0, then the matrix will be singular. So here we have to show it is non-singular, मतलब multiplication of AB, A and B. So AB matrix का determinant should be non-zero number. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we'll find out the value of AB, मतलब matrix AB. So AB क्या होगा, first row first column, ठीक है. So 1 into minus 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Okay, so minus 3 and 2 into 0, 0. ठीक है. Now first row second column, first row second column मतलब 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into minus 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. Okay, now अच्छा, this is 2 cross 3 matrix and this is 3 cross 2 मैट्रिक्स. तो हमारा जो रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स क्या होगा, दैट इज़ 2 क्रॉस 2 मैट्रिक्स होगा, बिकॉज 3 and 3 जो है ना, द नंबर ऑफ कॉलम इन दिस मैट्रिक्स एंड नंबर ऑफ रो इन दिस मैट्रिक्स इज इक्वल. सो वी कैन फाइंड आउट द मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ दीज 2 मैट्रिसेस एंड द ऑर्डर ऑफ द रिजल्टेंट मैट्रिक्स ए बी विल बी 2 cross 2. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट वन, फर्स्ट सेकेंड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. सो 0 into minus 2 will be 0, minus 1 into 3 will be minus 3, 3 into 0 will be 0. Okay, now second row second column. So 0 into 1 will be 0, minus 1 into minus 1 will be plus 1, and 3 into 2 will be 6. Okay, so the result now minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 3 will be minus 5. This will be minus 3. 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is 6. 1 plus 6 will be 7. ठीक है. So this is the matrix. Now we have to find out the determinant of matrix AB. So determinant of AB. So determinant कैसे find out करेंगे, minus 5, minus 3, 6 and 7, and we have to multiply this one, then we have to multiply this one. Okay, first of all we'll do this one. क्या होगा, minus 5 into 7, minus 5 into 7. Okay, and then minus this one, minus 3 into 6. ठीक है. So minus 5 into 7, 7 into 5, 35, so minus 35, and this is minus minus plus 3 into 6, 18. Okay, so 18 and minus 35 plus 18 will be minus 17. ठीक है. So minus 17, so minus 17 is a non-zero number, is not equal to 0. So we can say that AB is non-singular. ठीक है. Hence we have proved. Okay, non-singular. I hope you understood this one. So what we have done, AB is non-singular, you have to show. So AB, 2 matrices given, we just multiplied AB and we got this one, and determinant of AB we got minus 17, that is not equal to 0. So AB is a non-singular matrix. ठीक है. A square मतलब A into A, that is equal to 133 313 331 multiplied by 133 313 331. Okay, so what result we are getting? So 3 by 3, 3 cross 3 matrix, order this one is 3 cross 3, 3 cross 3, and we'll get the resultant matrix 3 cross 3. Okay, so first row first column, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 3, 9. Okay, now first row second column, 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 1, 3 and 3 into 3, 9. Okay, first row, third column, 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 1, 3. Okay, now second row, first column, 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9. Okay, now second row, second column, so 3 into 3, 9, 1 into 1, 1, 3 into 3, 9, 1 into 1, 1, and 3 into 3, 9. Okay, now second row, third column, 3 into 3, 9, 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 1 into 3, 3, and 3 into 1, 3. ठीक है, now third row, first column, 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 1 into 3, 3. Third row, second column, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 1, 3, 1 into 3, 3. Okay, now the last one, third row, third column, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into 3, 9, and 1 into 1, 1. ठीक है, so the resultant matrix will be 1 plus 9, 10 plus 9, 19, 3 plus 3 plus 9, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 9, 15. Again 3 plus 3, 6 plus 9, 15. 3 plus 3, 6 plus 9, 15. And 9 plus 9 plus 1, this is 19. Again 3 plus 3 plus 9, 15. 3 plus 3 plus 9, 15. 3 plus 3 plus 9, 15. 9 plus 9 plus 1, 19. Okay, so this is the resultant one. Now what we have to do, now we have to find out 5a. 5a, so 5a मतलब 5 into a, that is 1 3 3 3 1 3 3 3 1. Okay, so 5 into 3, 5 into 1, 5, 5 into 3, 15, 5 into 3, 15. Okay, so 1 1 1 here we will write 5 5 5. Okay, बाकी सारे it will be 5 into 3, 15. So 15 15 15 15. ठीक है, now what I have to do, a square minus 5a. ठीक है, so basically we have to a square minus 5a. This is a square and this is 5a. तो 19, a square में 19 है, whatever is there we'll write first. 19 15 15 15 19 15 15 15 and 19. ठीक है, now minus this one. ठीक है, तो minus 5 minus 15 minus 15 minus 15 minus 5 minus 15 minus 15 minus 15 and minus 5. 19 minus 5, 19 minus 5, 19 minus 5, बाकी सारे 0 because 15 minus 15 everywhere. Okay, just see once, a square हमने find out किया and we got only diagonally we got 19 19 19 otherwise 15. Here ये diagonally 1 otherwise 3. So 5 when we are multiplying we are getting 5 diagonally, बाकी सारे 15. Okay, now what we have done, a square minus 5a मतलब each element of this one and minus each element of this one. Okay, so 19 minus 5, 15 minus 15, 15 minus 15, तो वही whatever that is we have written here. So 19 minus 5 जो होगा that will be 15. Again 19 minus 5 15, 19 minus 5 15. बाकी सारे प्लेसेस पे 0 हो गए बिकॉज 15 माइनस 15 0, 15 माइनस एवरीवेयर 15 माइनस 15, तो 0 0 0 0 0 0. सो दिस मैट्रिक्स इज 15 identity matrix multiplied by scalar numbers 15. So we can also this is what, this is a scalar matrix. ठीक है, बिकॉज डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स मतलब जिसमें सिर्फ डायगोनली एलिमेंट्स आर देयर, ओके, एंड इफ ऑल द एलिमेंट्स आर सेम इक्वल, diagonal elements are equal, बाकी सारे elements are zero, then that type of matrix is called as scalar matrix. Yes, scalar matrix. And अगर वो scalar matrix मतलब कि diagonally the numbers are same and those numbers are 1 and बाकी सारे numbers are 0, so then all the elements are 0 except diagonal elements, and diagonal elements are same, that will be called as scalar matrix. And when diagonal elements are 1, then that will be called as identity matrix. First of all we'll find a square, ठीक है, तो a square का मतलब हुआ a into a, so a is 3 4 minus 2 minus 2, a into a, so a is this one again, a 3 4 minus 2 minus 2. Now we'll find out the value. First row first column, 3 into 3 9, minus 2 into 4 minus 8. For second row first column, so 4 into 3 12, minus 2 into 4 minus 8, ठीक है. Now first row second column, 3 into minus 2 minus 6, minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, okay. Now second row second column, so 4 into minus 2 minus 8 and minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4, ठीक है. So what value you are getting? 1, 9 minus 8 1, 12 minus 8 4, minus 6 plus 4 will be minus 2 and minus 8 plus 4 will be minus 4, ठीक है. ये value we are getting. Now KA क्या होगा? KA will be equal to K into A, that is 3 4 minus 2 minus 2, so it will be 3k 4k minus 2k and minus 2k, ठीक है. Now 2i, ठीक है, 2i का मतलब हुआ 2i is equal to 2 into 1001, so it will be 2002, ठीक है. Now a square minus ka plus 2i is equal to 0, ठीक है. तो this implies a square, तो first of all we'll write a square का value, that is 1 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus ka, तो ka का value is this one, so minus ka 3k 4k minus 2k and minus 2k, ठीक है. Now plus 2i, तो plus 2i का value we'll write here 2002 is equal to 0. हो गया ये इक्वेशन. Now we'll do this, find out okay, we'll write like this, 1 minus 3k plus 2 plus 2, okay. Now minus 2 minus 2 minus minus plus plus 2k plus 0, okay. Now next one, 4 minus 4k minus 4k and plus 0 plus 0. Now next one, this place, this will write na, so minus 4 मतलब 2 second row second column place पे minus 4 is there, again minus 2k is there, तो minus 2k and minus minus plus हो जाएगा ना, तो plus 2k and यहाँ पे 2 है, so plus 2, okay, is equal to 0, okay. So any value 0 मतलब 0 का matrix मतलब it will be like this, 0 0 0 0 0, हाँ. So any value is 0, we can take any value, so we'll take this one, okay. So this one will take this one, anyone, okay. So this when we are taking na, it means this is equal to 0, it means 1 minus 3k plus 2 is equal to 0, ठीक है. So 3k, what will happen, 3k will be equal to 3, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3k हम इधर ले जाएंगे, so it will be k is equal to 1, या फिर ओके दिस वन हमने किया तो वी गॉट दिस वन, सो वील टेक दिस वन, दिस इज व्हाट minus 2 plus 2k is equal to 0. Again this one is 0 na, so is equal to 0. So what will happen, 2k will be equal to 2, मतलब k is equal to 1. So any value will take, अगर ये value is equal to 0 लिखेंगे या फिर ये value is equal to 0, whatever we'll write ना, always will get k का value 1. Okay, so value of k is 1. ठीक है, हमने find out किया. The next one, x y matrix. Okay, so first of all what we have to do, bracket के अंदर को will solve first. So 2 0 3. ठीक है, अब ब्रैकेट के अंदर हम सॉल्व करेंगे. सो इट विल बी 3 से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. ओके, डायरेक्टली वील राइट ना, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करके लिखेंगे, देन 2 से मल्टीप्लाई, देन ऐड करेंगे. हम डायरेक्टली करें, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 3 × 6 18. ठीक है, अच्छा चलो विल राइट, हम पहले मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं देन विल ऐड. ओके, 18 3 × then only if you have any doubt for better understanding I am just step by step चलती हूँ. okay, 3 × 5 will be 15, 3 × 3 9, 3 × 2 6, 3 × 4 12. ठीक है, now plus 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 × 4 -8, 2 × 1 2, 2 × -3 -6, 2 × -1 2, 2 × 0 0, 2 × -4 -8. ठीक है, ओके, is equal to x y. We have to find out the value of x y. Now 2 0 3, this is yes. Now अब we'll take only one, हम ऐड कर देंगे. कैसे, this plus this, so 18 - 8 -3 + 2 -3 + 2 15 - 6 15 - 6 9 - 2 9 - 2 6 - 6 + 0 6 + 0 12 - 8 12 - 8. okay, is equal to x y. 2 0. अच्छा हम डायरेक्टली वैल्यू लिख दे क्या, 18 - 8. अच्छा विल राइट हियर because we have very less space in on board na. So 18 - 8 is 10, -3 -1 and 9 9 - 2 is 7, 6 + 0 6, 12 - 8 4 is equal to x y. ठीक है, so this implies, now we'll multiply this one. This is 1 × 3 and this is 3 × 2. तो हमें आंसर क्या मिलेगा, 1 × 2. ओके, सो फर्स्ट विल मल्टीप्लाई फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. 3 × 10, सॉरी 2 × 10 20, 0 × something 0, 2 × 10 20, 0 × something 0 and 3 × 9 27. Now first row second column, 2 × 7 14. Sorry, what I have done now, I have made mistake, sorry. So what is there, first row first column we have to add na, 2 × 10 20 plus 0 × something 0. okay, and 3 × 9 27. ठीक है, now first row second column, 2 × 7 14 plus 0 × something 0. Now 3 × 4 12 is equal to x y. ठीक है, now this value 20 + 27 will be 47 and 14 + 12 will be 26 is equal to x and y. So the value of x will be equal to 47 and value of y will be equal to 26. ठीक है, now first of all we have to do this one, a × bc. So a × b plus c. So first of all a is here, this one 4 2 -2 and 3, and bc will add b and c. So -1 plus 4 3 plus 3 plus 2, this place 1 1, first row first column is 1 minus 1, first row first column is 4, we have added this. Now for second row first column is 3, second row first column is 2, we add it. First row second column is 1, first row second column is 1, second row second column is minus 2, second row second column is minus 1. Okay, now so multiply this with this. 4, 2, minus 2, 3 with this one. Minus 3, 5, 5. Sorry, this one is 3 now. 4 minus 1 is 3. And this one, 1 plus 1, 2 and 3. Now the value what we are getting, the value which we will get now, this will be first row, first column, 4 into 3, 12. And minus 2 plus 5 minus 10. 4 first row second column, 4 into 2 is 8, minus 2 minus 3 plus 6. Okay, second row first column, 2 into 3 6, 3 into 5 15. Okay, second row second column, 2 into 2 4, 3 into minus 3 9. Okay, so it will be, so A into B plus C is equal to 12 minus 10 2, 6 plus 15 21, 8 plus 6 14 and 4 minus 9 minus 5. Okay, now we'll find out the value of AB. So AB and AC. AB क्या होगा, A and B will multiply this. Okay, ओके डायरेक्टली ए बी एंड ए सी हम एक साथ लेके चलते हैं ना, ए बी प्लस ए सी. सो ए बी का मतलब होगा A4 2 minus 2 3 into minus 1 3 1 minus 2. ठीक है, दिस इज ए बी. नाउ ए सी मतलब वी हैव टू ऐड दिस विथ A is 4 minus 2 2 3 multiplied by C, that is 4 2 1 minus 1. ठीक है, now the value we are writing will multiply first row first column, 4 into minus 1 minus 4, 2 into minus 2 into 3 minus 6, first row second column, 4 into 1 4 minus 2 minus 2 plus 4. Okay, second row first column, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 3 into 3 9, second row second column, 2 into 1 2, 3 into minus 2 minus 6. Okay, plus first row first column, 4 into 4 16, minus 2 and 2 minus 4. Okay, first row second column, 4 into 1 4, 2 into minus 1 plus 2. Now second row first column, 2 into 4 8, 3 into 2 6, and second row second column, 2 into 1 2, 3 into minus 1 minus 3. Okay, now we'll add these two. Okay, so what value we are getting, minus 4 minus 6, तो ये होगा minus 10, minus 2 plus 9 7, 4 plus 4 8, 2 minus 6 minus 4. Okay, addition का sign, and then what value, 16 minus 4 12, 8 plus 6 14, 4 plus 2 6, 2 minus 3 minus 1. Add this, minus 10 plus 12 2, 7 plus 14 21, 8 plus 6 14, and minus 4 minus 1 minus 5. So check with this one, this value and this value. Okay, A into B plus C, and this is AB plus AC. So 2 2 21 21 minus 14 14 minus 5 minus 5. So this is equal. So we can say that A into BC is equal to AB plus AC. Rest we'll do in next video. Okay, I hope you understood the sums.